Hey all! Today we are going to talk about how to point your domain name into Google Cloud Platform instance. To do that, you need to have IP address in Google Cloud that is static. Static IP address is useful in various reasons. In cloud computing, a static IP address is used for DNS queries. If IP addresses are changing, this can affect the content loading process. So static IP addresses are IP addresses which do not change. To change the external IP address on your server to static, you should choose the VPS network in your Google Cloud VPS network and external IP addresses. Okay, I already have static, but if you have something else, please change it to the static. You will see, click here, you will see the form which you need to fill in the details. Okay, we all set. Let's go to the next step. We should open network services and then cloud DNS. We should create zone, and zone name can be anything. Let's have server, for example, and we should specify the DNS name here. Let's go to our GoDaddy and just copy the domain name here, put it here. Okay, and create. As you see, the 2 records are already created. Let's create 2 more. First record is the record for the IP address. I have the IPv4, that is why the resource record type I will choose the A, which is address record. It will be used to map host name to the IPv4 address. If you have IPv6, you should choose the record type as AAAA, which is address record for IPv6. And then I should specify here my server external IP address, which is static now because I changed it to the static. Let me find it. Oh, I will just copy paste it from another window. Create. And one more record. Here should be the canonical name record, which is used to specify alias names. We will create the CName record for the www subdomain. The DNS will be www. Resource record type should be CName. Canonical name should be the name of our domain. Let's create it. Now we are all set. Let's copy our namespace data and put it into the GoDaddy. We will substitute the GoDaddy name servers to our own name servers. Not sure if it would work like this. Maybe we need to do it one by one, I think. Let's try. One more. Press save. Let's also install the Nginx on our Google Cloud server. To do that, we need to connect to the server via SSH. So open our instance. Press SSH to connect via SSH, and let's install Nginx on our Google Cloud server. First of all, let's update the system. Okay, Nginx is installed, and now to check if our pointing out from GoDaddy domain name to the Google Cloud instance is okay, we should go to our domain name. If we see this page, it means that our work is done all right, no errors, and our GoDaddy domain name is pointing out to the Google Cloud instance server. Thank you for your attention.